In a world where distance often separates us, even the smallest connection feels magical. Today, we are not just turning on the LED, we are turning on possibilities. Have you ever wanted to control something at home while you're far away? Maybe a light, fan, or even your little invention. But distance always gets in the way. What if I told you with just the ESP32 LED and the internet, you can control a device from anywhere in the world? Just anywhere. We start small. First, we can make ESP32 run on local area network, a small space where our LED obeys us instantly. But this is just a beginning. With the help of a little magic called Ngrok, we break the limit of distance. Suddenly, this small LED is not bonded to our home Wi-Fi anymore. It's connected to entire world. One tap on phone and no matter where you are, the LED responds. And today you have seen that smallest LED can shine across the world.